Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about etching. I'm taking an etching class at the Atlanta Printmaker Studio here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I wanted to kind of share some of the steps along the way to make a complete etching. Before going to SFA, I'd never ever heard of etching until one of my good friends, Tatum Yu, did her book, The Little Red Fish, and etching. And I really just love the look. It's kind of, it holds line really well. You get the darkest, richest lines I've ever seen, and you can also have these really beautiful atmospheric effects. So the first thing that I'll tell you is I'm doing copper plate etching, and this is what a copper plate looks like. This is untreated. It's just exactly the way it came in the mail, with blunt edges. So the first thing that I did was round the edges and file the sides to get a really smooth edge and round corners. And the reason that you have to do that is because once this is run through a printing press, there are blankets that are laid on top, and if the plate is run through the press without rounded corners, you'll cut the blankets. And I hear blankets run like $300, so it's important to not cut the blankets when you're running things through the printing press. So this is the drawing that I'm working on. It's just a girl and some birds for like Valentine's Day, I suppose. And it's important to note that in printmaking, whenever you trace an image on a plate or carve an image into a linoleum block, when you print it, you'll get the reverse. So I like the way that this drawing looks as is. So in order to combat the reverse image, the mirror effect, I scanned and printed the reverse image in Photoshop. So this is the final drawing. And then took this, put it directly on top of my plate, and took a mechanical pencil, make sure the lid wasn't out, push the lid all the way down, and then just drew on top to try and ghost the image in. So a lot of these details will be done in like soft brown, but the hard lines I'm going to do in hard brown. So right now there's a ghosted image on the plate. It's really hard to see, so it probably just looks black to you, but there are faint lines here. So I'm going to go back in and draw on top of these lines with my drawing next to me, because I'm not just tracing over what I had, I'm redrawing it basically. So yeah, I will speed things up, and once I finish the plate, I'll hopefully take you with me to the Atlanta Printmaker Studio and show you then what happens after this. Thank you for watching.